Hello and welcome to Advanced Keyboard Artificial Intelligence powered by ChatGPT tutorial. After you download the app, you can open the app and you will see such welcome screen. Here is instruction how to set up the advanced keyboard. Once you press this button, you will see select keyboards, then you will turn on the keyboard and you should allow full access. Full access you should allow to use the ChatGPT functions and translation functions for connection to internet and so on. Let's press this button. Now you see the keyboards. Sometimes it is missing. If in case the keyboards menu missing, I will show you second way of installation. Now let's press the keyboards, turn on and allow full access as I told you for ChatGPT and translation functions. We don't collect any information about users. The only third-party services collect some information just for ads to be relevant. Actually, I like relevant ads instead of irrelevant ads. In case you didn't see that keyboard menu, you go to settings, to general. Here in general you will see keyboards. In the keyboards you will see keyboards again. And here you will add the keyboard. Our keyboard is already added, so it's here. And you will add the keyboard and allow full access. Now that's all. Once you set up the keyboard, here is a question about ads. Okay, I allow. The sounds are turned on, predictions turned on. Translation engine, you have Yandex or Google. Translation languages, you can set up any language that you like. Here keyboard theme, auto, day and night. It will be auto by default. The text to speech speed, you can set up 1 to 5. Here you can change the languages. Here 3 languages by default. For example, I want German, the third one, it will be by default. Once you want to change, you will enter here and change. The ChatGPT mode by standard is smart. You can change if you like. After you use our keyboard, please rate and give us a review. If you want a paid subscription later, please subscribe. For example, if you want some more free credits, you can press here and you will see ads. Okay, let's go to the keyboard itself. We will open WhatsApp. Here I'm writing to myself. You will open the keyboard. You can open like this, or you can just type multiple times here. The first function that I'm going to tell you is the ChatGPT function. ChatGPT function is here. Press and hold. The ChatGPT function opens. Here you can ask anything you like from the ChatGPT. Let's open ChatGPT. Let's type something like here it's suggesting, okay, and the grammar is I like playing football. ChatGPT corrected all the words. Okay, thank you ChatGPT. The next function, I want to translate this word to some other language. I press here. I want to translate to Spanish. Okay. Here is a text to be translated. I like playing football. I press translate. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. And also you can play this.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Next, you can copy the text. You can paste it. Okay, let's delete it. For example, I delete it. The next function is clipboard. Pressing here, it is opens clipboard. Pressing here once is just pasting the copied text, but for example, I deleted everything. Here I pressed it and it is here. And pressing and holding this will open the keyboard. Here is for example, your email can be pre-saved here. Once you want, you can press here. You can share your email, or you can write something like this: how are you? What's up? And also you can copy text here. You can paste copy text. You can arrange it. You can save it here. You can arrange. You can add new text if you like. For example, and this text I copy here. Look, it's here. And you can delete everything if you want, but we don't need. You can edit this. You can go back. Okay, I showed you the keyboard or the clipboard. Now we go to the emoji. As a frequently used emoji list is 60 in our app. It is double as original emoji list, frequently used emoji list. The next is read aloud. For example, I paste the text and I want to read it aloud. Read Spanish, Deutsch, for example, Spanish. Let's read aloud Spanish.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Here it's reading. And if our text is German, we can change to German.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Or in English.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Reading
Me
last
gusta jugar al
press
fútbol.
text.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Okay, read aloud is understood. For example, even like this we can read.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Okay. There are some other keys here. Let's check it. For example, this one is hiding the keyboard. Sometimes it's very necessary. Then the next button is like this. Here it is a comma, and here it is a dot. For example, you can go left, you can go right, you can delete, you can backspace, you can also add hashtag, for example, hashtag football. Okay, hashtag, adding email, for example, like this, yes, and any symbol. Okay, that's all, for example. And if you press and hold this, you will go to settings. Here you can change the languages, as I told you, and here you can change the credits. You can get free credits. You can go to the subscription page, and you can subscribe for our premium functions. And after subscription, you will see no ads, and you will get many credits here to use. So let's check the ChatGPT once more. For example, let's say we have some text. Let's check what will be. Football is my favorite sport, but unfortunately I'm currently unable to play due to some issues with my leg. Fantastic. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe, rate our app. Tell other people to use it. It's very helpful. It will save your time and money. Time is money, you know, and you will write beautiful without any mistakes. You can learn English. You can learn any language. You can type faster, emails, hashtags, symbols. You can read the long texts. You can copy a text from some web page. You can paste it here. You can read. The iOS will never mess the language, and it will read on the language that you decide which language to read, and it will be very efficient for you to use the app. Thank you. Bye bye.